Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Free Internship and Courses program. In this video, we are going to learn ISRO is providing the ISRO IIRS External Student Internship 2026 for UG, PG, and PhD student. So don't miss this opportunity, and we'll go through the step-by-step process to how to apply, how to get this. So Indian Institute of Remote Sensing IIRS and ISRO has invited the online application for its external student internship and student project trainee scheme 2026. This is a golden opportunity for the UG, PG, B.Tech, M.Tech, MSc, BSc, Diploma and PhD student to gain hands-on research experience at one of the India's premier space research institute. So registration window will started from the 1st of July to 30th October current cycle, and eligibility is the Indian citizen only, student pursuing and recently completed within 6 months UG, PG, PhD from any recognized university or institute. Minimum 60% marks or CGPA 6.32 by 10. And science and technology discipline. Internship duration is there is a minimum is 45 days. And this one BTech B after 6 semester minimum 45 days. M.Tech and ME after first semester minimum 120 days, and BSc diploma final year minimum 45 days, MSc after first semester minimum 120 days, and PhD coursework completed project duration as per scheme. So important information is this. Information is there, online application only, no application fee mentioned, no stipend on financial assistance, no accommodation provided, internship certificate on the successful completion, NOC and recommendation letter from the institute is required. Academic documents must be uploaded, and selection depend on available seats and faculty approval. Documents required are the no objection certificate, NOC and recommendation letter, academic mark sheet, valid government ID, college and university ID card, passport size photograph, benefits, internship at ISRO and IIRS campus, hands-on research experience, certificate from the IIRS and ISRO, excellent opportunity to for the higher studies and career growth. So this is the official link. And if this video has helped you, and don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe for the for more government jobs, internship, free certification, ISRO update, AI courses, Microsoft certification, Google certifications, and career opportunities. So open this link. When we'll open link, this is the page, and here you can see iirs.gov.in, means this is a government website. So external student internship schedule. So all this is for the UG, PG, and PhD. Minimum period is 45 days, and this is the aggregate minimum 60% or CGPA of 6.32 on scale of 10. So eligibility is there, eligibility criteria and duration is this one. So all students waiting to pursue academic project work with in DOS and ISRO department and ISRO. So shall possess the aggregate minimum 60% of CGPA 6.32 on scale of 10. General information is there, only Indian national citizens should be apply this one. Aggregate this NOC certificate, student not selected will not be informed. So you are not getting mail, then you are not selected. You can go with this. And students should bring 3 passport size photograph, original copy of document, valid ID proof on government of India and ID issued by the university and college. Application may be submitted twice in a year. Last date of application submit on the 31st of October and 31st of March or every calendar cycle. So this cycle is the 31st of October. Only online application will be accepted, and no application through the email or post will be accepted. Other information is there. So internship project will be allotted based on the ability and expertise, project facilities, suitability, and student course will be carried out at the respective center and unit. So all the details you can go, and there is a button is there, apply now. So when you click this button, this page will open. This is the page, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, admission.iirs.gov.in. So here you can find the this login and register, personal detail and address detail, educational detail, other detail, and upload photo and ID, signature, and select course. So login and register. So this is the register, full name, email address, nationality, and enter your Aadhaar number, and this is the your password. So upload Aadhaar, you have to provide your Aadhaar and password. This should be one lowercase, one uppercase, one number should be there, one special character should be there, at least 8 character. And this is the code. Display code is there. You have to provide this one. Click on register. After that, you can go with the login or already registered. So here you have to provide the just now you have registered. So that detail and just click on login. So after that, you have to go with the personal detail, address detail, educational, other detail, and upload photo and ID and signature, and finally select a course and then submit. They will give you the review. Go for the review, and after selecting, you will get a mail. If you are not selected for this course, you won't get any mail. So all the step by step details are there. Course calendar, you can go. So this is the course calendar. So completion date and all the courses you can find here. So course flyers is this, nomination form, entrance exam. So all the details you can find here. So all the guidelines also. So all the step by step process you have to go through this, and finally you will apply for the this one, external student internship. So disclaimer is there, this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For copyright concern, send me mail on this email address. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Link is given there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official YouTube channel. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.